Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Small Town Editor. The purpose of this channel is to provide free education because 10 years back when I needed learnings, nobody was there to help. Now that we have such a great medium to share knowledge, allow me to do so. Without wasting much time, let's quickly jump into learning how to export multiple compositions with a single click. It's very easy guys. As you can see, I have these two compositions. One is called yellow. I'll add this to the render queue by clicking just on the composition, add to render queue. And then in the blue one, I want this video to be exported on a transparent background. So for that, I just have to click on a single button here, which is called toggle transparency grid. What it does is it extracts your background from the object. As you can see, it is on transparent background right now. So my object will be moving, but with a transparent background. And then I'll just hit Control Command M, or you can also go to composition and add to the render queue. After you've brought a composition in the render queue, you also have to select lossless settings as RGB plus alpha to export it on a transparent background. For the yellow one, I need the black background as well, so I'll keep it as only RGB as a default setting. And then you can select your export path. I'll call it yellow plus blue because these are my two compositions I'm rendering right now. You can also select a file name, yellow plus blue, save. This is also going in the same folder idea. And then just hit the render button. Boom. You clicked one render button and it exported both of your compositions with their respective properties or render settings which you selected. If you want me to help you cross check, see, it is on a transparent background and this is with the black background. So thanks for watching guys.